In these summer months, in places with warm climates, living near an air conditioning system rather than a luxury may be a necessity. The most comfortable way, if not the cheapest, to survive the high temperatures. And in order to help us save on the consumption of the air conditioning system, Ambi Cimate has been launched, a new accessory for air conditioning that works to create the most comfortable environment, adapted to the needs of the user and with which they ensure we can save up to 30% energy. Ambi Climate 2 is a small climate control device, a kind of measuring station that, thanks to the use of 3 sensors, is responsible for studying the data relating to temperature, humidity and sunlight inside the room. This data relates them to the time of day and weather conditions. Ambi Climate 2 is compatible with more than 50 brands and 1,200 models of air conditioners, and for its operation it is only necessary that our air conditioning has a remote control system, as it works by infrared. In addition, the device is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, has IFTTT integration, and through an application available for iOS and Android, we can control the air conditioning system anytime and anywhere.